You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI art generator in 2025, which is StarryAI. So here's the breakdown. StarryAI is one of the easiest and most reliable AI art generator in 2025. You type in a prompt, you pick a style, and it quickly produces a clean, detailed image across photorealistic, anime, abstract, fantasy style. It's beginner friendly, it gives you broad usage right, and works well for creators who want fast visual without complicated settings. The pros include high quality output, simple control, strong style varieties, and easy download for personal or commercial use. The main drawback are the credit-based system, which can get expensive for heavy users and occasional repetitive results when prompts are too similar. It also offers fewer advanced control than the pro tools like Midjourney or Leonardo. So talking about the cons, it includes credit cost, adding up, some prompt repetition, and limited fine-tuning features. So in my opinion, the AI is worth using, especially if you want a simple, dependable AI art app that consistently delivers strong visual. And that's it. Hope you find the video up for a video. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more deep breakdown. And that's it.